I was just sent this magnetic voice recorder. This is a really neat idea because it actually has a magnetic back that you can put on the back of a phone to be able to record a phone call. And you actually hear both ends of that phone call. If you don't have a MagSafe back, they actually give you a magnet that you can then put on the back of a phone. So that way you've got it there, or if you want to put it somewhere else to be able to just stick this little fella up. He is completely magnet. He will stay on anything with metal, but it is super simple to work and it is a very small and discreet size. It does support up to 20 different languages and it has 64 gigs on this thing. So I will bring you in here close and we will take a look at it, but it is a very simple piece of machinery that then comes with the cable to be able to download this onto your phone or onto your computer. And then you can actually use the ChatGPT to transpose the voice into text. That way you can look at it and find keywords or have everything in writing for you. So here's this device up close. It is such a slim design and it does have that magnet. So if you had something you wanted to magnet it to, it can just stick right there, or it can stick on the back of a phone, or you can use this included magnet here. But on the thing you actually have your record button and then your wireless switch button. And to turn them on, you just hold down on it for 2 seconds and then that will click on the actual button. And you click it on, that actually turned it off. So we will click it on here. And that actually shows your record is now lit up. You can see on here, you have your charging indicator. So you charge it up to keep its battery with this little cord they provide. And then you've got your record that you know that now it is currently recording. And then you have your wireless indicator, which is also on this button here. Whenever you're done and you're finished with your phone call, you're finished with your meeting or whatever you're wanting to record, you just press this again and it turns it off. And then you can go plug this in to your computer or your phone or whatever you're wanting to do. You can even Bluetooth it to your phone with this little wireless indicator and have all of that data saved, which we will go look at on the computer now. So here's my computer and I've plugged in the device. And now you can see all of the different things that I have already recorded today. So we will go ahead and play that. Charge it up to keep its battery with this little cord they provide. And it then keeps everything on here. If you did then want to send it off to ChatGPT, you can then just send it off to ChatGPT. They do include a 6-month subscription to ChatGPT, the newest version, that you can then use that to transcribe everything into text. This is a neat little device that you can use for any sort of recording that you are needing to do.